All right, this is stock number 9753. It's a 50-ton P&H model PHJ424204 two-post hydraulic press. Serial number 60150, new 1990.
All right. Up front, standard controls. You've got the bypass valve here for pressure control. We'll get to that in a minute. And down here we've got dual palms for jog coming down, dual palms for return, going back up, start stop on the motor. And other than that, the only other thing is jog run on the selector switch. So it just does what it says it does, jog or run. Power's on right now. We've got 480 coming into the machine, temped in. Switch gear, a couple relays. Got very good documentation on this. Hydraulic schematics, electrical schematics, it's all there. And around the back, not much more other than the few pieces of tooling that come with this machine, whether or not anybody can use it, but we're going to send all that with. It's another different size die setup that was also used up here. And they were doing something, just indexing and using a micro switch to let them know that there was a part in the set. None of this circuitry is currently being used anymore. I just left it plugged in, but that's gone away. Top side hydraulic unit, aftercooler. And other than that, the only thing left is the foot pedal for the auto cycle down low. That's there. I'm going to hit that now. I'll start the pump motor up. And again, there's the main manifold up there, pressure relief valve, pressure switches for the operational aspect of the machine. And that's it. We'll fire it up. Let's let it idle. Running. We are in jog mode. So on jog, I got these four working for me. I can bring it down now. Inching, whatever for setup. Go back up. And I can hit the die now and check my pressure, which is what I'll do now. Inch it down here. There's 15. I'll jack it up a little bit. 16. 18. A little bit more. A little bit more. 21, or back down again to, let's go ways down to 600, 700. There's 1,000 right there, so that equates to tonnage. It's a 50-ton press. So we'll leave it up around mid-range here and take it back up in jog mode, flip it over.
Let's do the jog a couple times just so when I can stand back here. Just go ahead.
Okay. I've got it turned down way low now. Got to hit it up farther. When I catch it midstream, it's going to take a second to get back up there. Jog, just sit there. Again, I'm in jog mode.
All right.
It goes all the way up to that switch right there. There's the stop switch right there for going back up. So that's jog. We'll take it back up. Get that up there. I didn't hit anything, so it's caught midstream. Take it over to run, and now it's off the pedal. These don't work anymore. These will still work, but mainly off the foot pedal. And we hit it once. Where are we at? I don't even know. So we clean up higher. 15, 16, 17. If I hold it down, I can do a repeat. Or just let off. One time. If I let off halfway down, it'll return. So, okay, that goes back up. And all the way down. Go to the higher 2,000. We'll take it up higher, 24, 23. There's 2,000. It's better to do it in manual mode because automatic is real fast. When it reaches pressure, it reverses out. So that's auto cycle. Let me go back to jog and take it up high. Let's just hit. There's 25, see? 26 maybe. That's in pretty far. We don't have to go any further. That's almost 90% of full tonnage, so. And then back up. So we'll leave it right there, do a couple more auto hits, and call it a day here. Keep an eye on it. We'll around 23, 24. Back to jog. And off.